Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with another quickie sticky unboxing. I'm gonna call them quickie stickies forever, so bear with that. But yeah, this is the monthly sticker club that I subscribe to. It's like $10–11 a piece. I don't know. I put the link to the site. It's not an ad, hashtag not sponsored. But all the information you need about these are down below. They offer 3 different types: a cute, a pop, and a vintage pack. I get the vintage and the pop pack. And I am excited to open these because I've had them for a couple of days, and they just they sing like a siren song to me and call to me to open them. And then now that I've started this series of unboxing them on my channel, I'm like, just wait. And it's killing me. It's killing me inside. I don't remember. I think last time we did the vintage first, if my memory is correct. It may not be. There's not an actual order to this, but I feel like I have to rotate them for some reason. So this time we're going to start with the pop pack. Pop pack. So they come in these really great envelopes. I have a ton of them, and I've been using them consistently. So that's like one of my favorite things, is that this becomes automatic junk journal supplies. Ooh, the theme for this one is the hidden world. And from what I can see already, I kind of love it. And then those of you who have seen the previous ones know that I have like this compulsory need to put the little label sticker on before I can look at anything else. And I'm not changing that today. So some of you will be proud to know that I did go back and pull all of the stamps I have out of these sleeves so I can finally use them. But look at how pretty this is. I don't know if the lighting is going to do this justice. Actually, let me get another light on in this place. It's getting darker by the second. Okay, weird edit, but it's like it's hot, so it's summer, so the blinds are like half open, and then it's supposed to rain, so it's getting weirdly dark because of the clouds. Doesn't really matter. Hopefully that's better. Maybe it'll focus this way. It's hard to see me though, because it's black. Anyways, it's a really pretty like lunar moth stamp with some moons and the moon phases, and then even little like elemental symbols, and there's like some wheat in there. Like, this is really detailed and super intricate, and I love it. So like I was saying, I went through and pulled all the stamps out. That's not where I'm keeping them. This is where I'm keeping them. So I have like a nice little hoard of like Stickii Club stamps, but now they're out so they can actually be used. So this is going to go right in there so that I will not forget and use that. And then we got a little notepad this month. They did like do a poll, I think on their Instagram or via email. I don't remember. They polled us to see if we wanted stuff other than these little notepads. And like, I love these little notepads, don't get me wrong. But I would love to see other things as well. But this is really cute. They're like little dancing fox and cat. I'm gonna say fox and cat. But how cute is that? Super cute. Okay. Let's get into the back. So the hidden world. I like the shadow motif already, but this is not exactly what I was anticipating. Let's like see a little sneaky peek, little preview. So it looks like, okay, so we got some shadowy stuff and we got some not so shadowy stuff. If you guys have been watching, you know that they include stuff that's like zeroed into the theme and then a couple of wild cards. And I think this would be in that category for me. So these are really cute. I love these little like post-it note, like little tiny writing spaces stickers. These are really great. And this is from artofmanok.com. Art of Manok. I don't know how they're supposed to say it. It could be like Man-OK. Watch it be that. But that is who the artist is for these ones. These are really cute. I kind of love this like fantasy D&D style, little bit witchy, little like cutesy forest motif. That's really cute. And it looks like we got a full size of stickers, also from Manok. 996 on Instagram. This is really cool with the cat skull. So these are really nice. That would be like a cutesy like adventurer spread. I think that would be really cute. And then this one is by Blandine Paniquin. Ooh, that was a rough one. There's the artist name. But these are some really great like insect stickers, and they're on this really cool like textured paper. I love the moth and the beetles. These are really nice. Those will definitely come in handy for like all sorts of things. Look at that. And then this looks like the artist who did the little sticky notes. So that is Peony Illustrations. And this is on holographic paper, so I love that because it's like black and white grayscale. But then it's also rainbow. So that's really cute. These little fairies are cute. I love this mushroom lady. Very nice. I still feel like there's a weird shadow and there's a light right there and I don't understand. How many lights are too many lights? Is that better? Oh, it might be. Oh, it looks better. Okay, sorry. I don't know why it's like I'm still trying to figure out lighting and I have 7 lights on. I don't have 7. It's 4, which seems more than enough. Anyways, little tiny traveling snail. Super cute. I love that. And then I got these like black and gold stamp stickers. These are really pretty. No artist for this one, so that's like a Stickii Club original. But I love these. These are gorgeous. They're super like elegant. And already stamp cut, so no fussy cutting required. This little crab. Very neat. And then we have these number stickers, which are stuck to other ones. I don't know. There's like some butterflies on shadows, if that helps. And they're almost like, some of these are almost like moon phases. It might be moon stuff. No, it looks like ink that I'm looking at it closer. But they're really nice. It'd be really great to do like a daily, like a dark daily. Ooh. Somebody write that down for me and then remind me later. Because that's a cool idea. And then this one, I like this. This is the person who did the moth design for the stamp. And this is Daphnis Bane. Wow, I don't know. That's who it is. That's the artist. And it looks really cool. She does, or they, I don't know who they are. They have a really great style. Like, I love the snakes, the tigers. It's kind of like old school tattoo flash. A little bit. Using this like little room key dude. And they're foiled, so that's also really cool. But I love that. It's like a mix of like modern and tattoo flash, which is really cool. And then there's these cute little like inky sprites. Little sprite people crawling around on the skulls. And they are super cute. They kind of remind me of like the Kodamas in Princess Mononoke. Which are also really cute, but like a different style of those. So I love that. Those are cute. So I love this set. The Hidden World, that was our pop set. And then the vintage set. Ooh, it's a beach theme, like an ocean theme. So this one is Below the Blue, which is very timely for summer. Since it's already 100 degrees in Texas, and I'm miserable and have been complaining every single day. Although I was just talking to Kim about this, I saw that they got like 6 inches of snow in Colorado, and it's May, and I hate that for them as well. This is like a little turtle in his shell, you guys. Look how cute! They love the details. Like, that's so... Oh, it's precious, and I love it. Into the bag. And then for the notepad, we got this really nice, like, vintage style. That was a car. That was upsetting. Like, vintage style, but also, like, nautical ocean style. Because it's got, like, some really subtle, like, shells in the scroll work. With a little wave motif at the bottom. I really love this. It's, like, it's multifaceted. It's classic. Understated. Really sweet. So, let's see. I have a bunch of like nautical. I should make like some ocean themed stuff. I should work on that. So let's see for a little quick sneaky peek overlook of everything. There were a lot of sheets. That's what we're looking at. So it looks like a nice little mix between vintage style and a little bit more modern. There is this really great like little circle seal type stickers. These would make great envelope seals. I love the eel. You don't get to see a lot of those. They're really neat and they have some gold detail. So I love that. And there's some more of this textured sticker. This is like my favorite of the sticker papers that they use, is this like textured kind, and I don't know why, but it just feels really nice and adds like a cool effect to the stickers. But there's like some little sea specimens, like a field guide explorer type of deal. So those are really cool. This is becoming less quickie as I'm like obsessing over these stickers. I really enjoy this packet. And here are like the little note space stickers, and these are really pretty. They have like a watercolor effect, and it's like coral, and I don't know what that is. People who know ocean stuff. What is that? Like, okay, sorry. Now that I'm like looking at these carefully, like I can see this like line that would like to me indicate like a horizon, but it's ocean because there's a fish. But like it just looks like the fish is in the air. And I think that's just like the style in which they painted these, but it looks like the same here too. Like this fish is just flying. And like this is like this is the land, and then this is the sea, and this like little sea urchin dude is like the sun. You guys see that? But like it's supposed to be underwater, so I don't know. Just a weird tangent my mind just went on because I'm trying to figure out what I'm looking at. And then, oh, sorry. These were all by Stickii Club. They had no artist. And then this one is Emily V. Keefe. Emily V. Arts on Instagram. This is really great. A little mermaid skeleton. I love this. That's what we need. We need more like shipwrecked, ghost of the sea type stuff. Somebody else write that down. Send it back to me. That's a good idea too. Because I love, we need like a gothic ocean thing, right? That would go great with this. It says save us on this little like note in the bottle. It's really nice. I love this one. This one's probably going to be my favorite one in this set. Although, I love jellyfish, and these are great. I'm going to get this blue one because it's going to wash out. But these are foiled jellyfish, and these are really cool. Love that. These are also by Stickii Club. They didn't give me artists for this pack. Like the other one had maybe like 1 or 2 Stickii Clubs, but this has been 4 Stickii Club people already, or like Stickii Club originals. But I love this sticker, so I'm not mad at it. And then this one is by Maddie K. And this one is gorgeous. It's got like an Art Nouveau sort of style. Why is it so dark in here? I think it's like just the clouds messing it up. But she is gorgeous. And I wish you could see. This is also a textured paper set. But I love this like ocean goddess Aphrodite vibes. Plus like a modern Aphrodite. Really pretty. It's going to be fun to use. Not mad at it. And then the numbers for like the little, like for planner girls mostly. I think planner girls, yeah, I would say planner girls would use this the most. Are are some seashells, and they're really cool. If this wasn't already like the middle of May, this would be like really cool to do like a mermaid challenge, which I've always wanted to do, but like I don't want to draw a new mermaid every day. I'd have to come up with something better than draw a new mermaid every day, but some kind of mermaid challenge would be fun. I love mermaids, guys. They're pretty cool, especially all like the legends around the world. Pretty dang cool. But this would be cool for that, and I love that. And then the last sheet we have is by Sparkle. Sparkle. That's hard to say. I don't know how it's supposed to be. I think it's Sparkle. But look at that. There's like a little boy mermaid, a mer person. There's a mer person. And then there's just a bunch of these really great, really beautiful watercolored mer people of color. I love her eye patch. She's gorgeous. I love the green. Really beautiful. So that's cool. So that would be like the wild card one for this set, and probably this one as well, because the rest of these can be like, well, this one is a little bit different too. So there were like 3 types of outside of the box, because these all kind of go together really nicely in a solid set. And surprisingly, they were all the not surprisingly, they were all the Stickii Club ones. And then these would be like the little additions too. These are pretty cool. I'm really happy with these. Cannot wait to use them. Let me know what you guys thought about these down below, and I will try to make the next Quickie Stickii unboxing actually quick, because I just had a lot to think about, I guess, when I was looking at these this time. But let me know which one was your favorite. What sheets would you use? What did you like? Would you get this? Do you like these unboxings? I love these unboxings, so I'll keep doing them because I love this subscription. Like, I think I would cancel every subscription and just keep this one, because I just love stickers. Were you that kid who like collected stickers as a kid? Because I was. I had like a whole photo album just full of stickers that I never stuck to anything. And then I got to the point where my mom got mad at me and made me like constantly clean them out because I would have so many stickers from like that 50-cent machine at the grocery store. But she was the one who gave me the 50 cents, so like, you did this? But anyways, let me know what you think down below, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Until then, I appreciate your faces, and happy crafting. Bye!